Hello everyone, welcome back to that Cyber Guy. So today this is number 7 of the networking fundamentals. So welcome to today's exploration into the fascinating world of networking. So today we are going to deep dive into the OSI model. This is the framework that organizes network communication into 7 distinct layers. So to help you understand this complex system, we are going to use the powerful tools Wireshark. So buckle up and let's get started into this exciting journey.
Learn cybersecurity in no time.
All right, so my Kali Linux is already open. So now what I'm going to do, what we can do first, if I go to Google Chrome, if you search for the uh, uh, the OSI model, you're gonna see all the layers right here. So what we can actually do, if I go back to Wireshark right here, we can just open our terminal, Control Alt T. There we go, and we are going to type sudo Wireshark. And hit enter. Now because we are just trying to do privilege access, so that's why they ask us for our password. So what is the physical layer? So this is the layer that is physical. This is the foundation of the OSI model. So it deals with the actual transmission of binary data of a physical. For example, it just captures basic physical layer data. So if we if we turn on Wireshark right here, and to capture data, I will need an action. So the action I'm going to take, I'm going to open my Firefox, and then I have my Metasploitable server open. All right. And I'm going to go to Wireshark, start capturing, and then I'm going to take some action right here. So I'm going to go to that website. And then for the sake of this video, I'm going to try to log in, because we are going to need to show you the session layer, the presentation, and the application layer. So let me log into that website. All right, good. So once I logged in, I don't know if my password is incorrect. Okay. Yep, I log in right now. I can just go ahead and just stop capturing. I stop it. Now, to just see the physical layer. This is the physical layer. All the packets that you see that started from here, this is the physical. Now, if you want to see the data link layer, so what is the data link layer? So if we move up to the data link layer, this is the layer that is responsible for creating a reliable link between two directly connected nodes. So in Wireshark, what we can do, we can actually, if you go try to filter something, if you filter eth.add, and then you can just filter the MAC address of the server or whatever that you're trying to reach. So you can see that for security purposes, I'm not going to do that to add it, but we can just move up to the network layer. So for the network layer, so this is where the routing and logical addressing come in play. So we'll use Wireshark again, to just find the network layer into that traffic right here. You can just type the IP, that address, and then I can just filter this one here. And then to just find it, what we can do, we can just click on one packet, and then if we expanded the Internet Protocol version 4, we can see there's an header right here. This indicates that this is the network layer. Now we have the transport layer. In order to find information about the transport layer, you can actually filter TCP or UDP. I can filter TCP, and then if we just open, just give me a second, I'm just open this one here. Yeah, if we open TCP right here, you see a bunch of information about the port, destination, etc. Can just try to get another one for a better example. Yeah, TCP. Yeah, so we see that we see source, destination, etc. So this shows that it is the transport layer because it's a transmission control protocol. Alright, I don't think we have any UDP here. So now for the session layer and presentation and application layers, those three layers, you can filter them by using HTTP or SSL. So if we go to HTTP, or we can just try to go to a post request. By the way, a GET request, you see a bunch of GET and POST. You see GET and POST. Some of them, they are POST. So a GET request retrieve information from the server. A POST request send data to the server, like to create and update resources. For example, in this case, what we can do, if I click on the POST request right here, as you can see here, we have a bunch of information. If we just go down right here, you're gonna see, if we just focus right here, you're gonna see a lot of information about the origin, the logging sessions, the cookies. All this, they are part of the session, presentation, and application layer. And then if we go down, we can actually see the username and the password that the user use. Because the reason why I'm able to see those information is because you see that there is no encryption. This was sent as plaintext. This is basically all why what the 7 layers are. And as always, what I can encourage you to do is always go to Wikipedia and then to learn more about the layers. So because our purpose as that cyber guy is to make sure that you understand the practicality of it. You don't just memorize things, but you know how it works. So now you have you can just read through Wikipedia, and then you can actually if you have your lab available, you can just keep practicing. Wireshark is a very powerful tool. So as you can see that we're able to demonstrate almost all 7 layers with Wireshark. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insight. Thank you so much.